Hello and welcome to day 15 of Bedtime Welsh. Oh yeah, hello wave. And a couple of haircuts here. So yeah, hair's all looking tidier, which is a relief. Couple of fantastic videos too. Alice, that was superb. And if you didn't get it right in the lesson and then got it right for the video, yeah, that's a great sign. That shows there's just a little bit of extra focus kicking in. And Tilda, brilliant. Really, really good. And we loved your accent. We thought it was a great accent, didn't we? Yeah, you're not going to say yes. You're just going to nod. Yeah? Okay. Right, so you've worked really hard. You've done 14 days of brilliant work. You've got this gigantic sentence. Now we go in a slightly different direction. It's time to start making it possible for you to start talking to other people. So we need to learn now how to say something to somebody else. So we're going to start with, do you want? Do you want? So instead of I want, dwi isio, do you want is wyt ti isio. Wyt ti isio. So do you want?
Wyt ti isio.
Wyt ti isio. And then how about, do you want to speak?
Wyt ti isio siarad.
Wyt ti isio siarad. Then, do you want to speak Welsh?
Wyt ti isio siarad Cymraeg.
Wyt ti isio siarad Cymraeg? Check what comes after that. Do you want to speak Welsh now?
Wyt ti isio siarad Cymraeg rŵan.
Wyt ti isio siarad Cymraeg rŵan? And then last one for today. Do you want to remember?
Wyt ti isio cofio.
Wyt ti isio cofio? Da iawn. Hope you enjoyed that. And we'll see you with another slot tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro. Ta-ra.